In the clinical application, the asymmetric collimator system has been developed with the requirement of high treatment precision and application expansion. The asymmetric collimator still retains a pair of rectangular collimators for symmetric motion, that is, symmetric opening and closing motion with respect to the center, and a pair of, generally the lower pair, rectangular collimators that are asymmetrically opened or closed relative to the center. And the asymmetric collimators can move a distance 10 to 20 centimeters from each other across the central axial countermeasure. When a rectangular collimator is knocked at the position of the central axis of the ray, a tangential field is formed thereby, for the coplanar and coplanar adjacent fields. The tangent field irradiation of breast cancer and the tangential irradiation of the rotation therapy. In addition to the head collimator, additional head-sized collimators of different sizes are required to be placed under the radiation head in a head stereotactic radiosurgery or stereotactic radiotherapy room using a medical electron linac.